more tombs to raid. We're Tomb Raiders today.
No, we're not raiding anything.
And then we're not raiding anything.
We're just standing here respectfully.
We are standing here respectfully. So when we first started dating, we did all this like couples therapy stuff. We started to make sure that we built our entire relationship on a rock-steady foundation. We also committed to, a life of adventure. I still think that like the book is open in terms of all the adventures that's going to include. We've traveled to Mexico, we've been learning different languages. I want to go so many other countries besides the Philippines, Japan, Korea, Vietnam. We have so much of the world to love to explore. A lifetime adventure is built on a solid foundation.
I mean, I guess very great metaphor, considering where we are now.
I know.
Structures that lasted for maybe 1 millennium at least. Even after the war, like it's still standing. And I think I don't know, like even the rain right now, like it's not sunny or perfect weather in any way.
Yeah,
That happened, and I'm glad that you're taking this with pride and you're
I think this is like this is its own kind of perfect. Who needs sunshine? You love the rain and being wet, and I love you, so it works out.
Yellow, glowing heart, the sun falls as I find my home.
Where should we go next? I don't know. The next is probably back to the end of the fucking wedding.